Technical Touching 24 blogspot.com.
Xiaomi is gearing up to launch its upcoming smartphone, Mi Max 3, which is the third-generation phone in the company Mi Max series. Now, ahead of the phone's launch in China, on July 19th, Xiaomi President Lin Ben has shared the phone's renders and some key specifications. The images shared by Lin Ben reveals that the smartphone will be available in 3 color options: black, gold, and blue. He further revealed that the phone features a 6.9-inch full-screen display, and is said to come with Full HD Plus display, an 18:9 aspect ratio. On the backside, there is a dual-camera setup, with sensors placed vertically, and the module placed at the top left corner. In the top center part, there is a fingerprint sensor for added security. The smartphone also retained the 3.5mm headphone jack. While sharing details about the Mi Max 3, Xiaomi President Lin Ben said that, while the phone comes with a large screen, it doesn't feel very big. He further added that the smartphone comes with super battery life, which will be helpful to those who use their device for a long time. Earlier, the Mi Max 3's retail box was leaked online, which confirmed that the smartphone comes powered by Qualcomm recently launched Snapdragon 636 processor. It also revealed that the phone will come with 4GB RAM and 64GB of internal storage. The dual-camera setup on the back consists of a 12MP plus 5MP setup and an 8MP front-facing shooter. According to the reports, there will be another high-end variant of the Mi Max 3, which will pack 6GB RAM and 128GB of internal storage. The report also hints that the smartphone will be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 710 processor. There are also reports about the 3GB RAM and 32GB storage model. The recently leaked images of the phone revealed that the phone will come with MIUI 9 out of the box, which is quite disappointing, as the company has already started rolling out MIUI 10 operating system to some of its smartphones. Running on Android Oreo operating system, the phone is fueled by a 5500 mAh battery. While Lin Ben has shared the renders of the Xiaomi Mi Max 3, we'll have to wait until the phone's official launch to know the phone's pricing and availability details. For more video like this, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching guys. See you guys next one.